What happened, Paco?
Get away, you shameless old man! Don't look at me, old rope! Let me help! Stop! It's my snack! Let go of my snack! I want to share it with my friends today! They can't touch me, Copper!
If anyone has any objection to this marriage, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Squawk! Messages! To the ex-boyfriend! Busted! Squawk!
Wow, harsh.
Will you be my Valentine?
How old are you?
32.
Sorry. You're expired. I need standards, not charity cases!
Gold!